Welcome to Learn English, Love English, and here is another episode of Nature's Melodies. Today, we journey into a secluded forest glade where ancient pines whisper and creatures weave a symphony of sounds. Let's immerse ourselves in the magical dusk chorus of Evergreen Woods. Nestled deep within whispering pines, our enchanted forest glade buzzes with the mysteries of a hidden world. As the sun dips below the treetops, painting long shadows across the forest floor, the air fills with the humming of industrious insects, their drones setting the stage for the evening's performance. The tranquility is suddenly punctuated by the rhythmic knocking of a woodpecker. Each tap resonates like a drumbeat, calling the forest to attention. No sooner do these echoes fade than the playful melody of a brook joins in, cascading merrily over stones and roots, adding its lively tune to the evening. From the deeper shadows, a stag's powerful bellow cuts through the calm, commanding the silence. His presence is both heard and felt as he asserts his dominion over the wooded realm. Accompanying him, a delicate jingle of antlers against branches plays softly in the background, as another deer meanders through the underbrush. Suddenly, the forest symphony grows intense with the arrival of a storm. The winds howl, ancient pines sway and creak, while distant thunder warns of the tempest's fury. As rain begins to fall, each drop a percussion on the leafy canopy, a family of squirrels retreats to their nest. Inside, the soft buzzing of a lone bee, caught in the storm, joins as an unexpected guest. The storm passes as quickly as it arrived, leaving the forest drenched and dripping. The aftermath is a fresh cacophony of swollen streams, the revived humming of the forest, and the gentle jingle of raindrops falling from leaves. In the secluded glade of Evergreen Woods, every night is a concert, each creature's voice a vital note in the ongoing symphony under the moon and stars. Thank you for joining Learn English, Love English in this listening journey. Until next time, keep your ears open and your heart ready to listen to the whispers of the forest.